How to remove clip from timeline in Openshot. Need to get rid of a clip that's no longer needed? Here's how to remove it from your Openshot timeline quickly and cleanly. Click on the clip in the timeline to select it. Now press the delete key on your keyboard or right click and choose remove clip. The clip disappears from the timeline, but it still stays in your project files just in case you want to reuse it later. If you want to delete it completely from your project, right-click it in the Project Files panel and choose Remove from Project. To avoid messing up your timeline alignment, hold Shift when deleting and other clips will slide over to fill the gap automatically. How do you usually organize your timeline before deleting things? Let me know in the comments below. Efficient timeline editing is key to fast video creation, and if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.